How did we remove the floor, the ceiling? Did we sand it or did we scrape it?
We wet it, then we scrape it.
Oh, this is a wet scrape ceiling? Okay. Okay, so there's different methods of removing popcorn. The method we use on this is we wet the ceiling, you spray the ceiling, it gets a little wet, and then you use a scraper and you scrape it. And when that happens, it looks a little bit like this, and then afterward, we're gonna come back and put a nice, smooth, level 4 finish on the entire ceiling. There's two ways of doing it. One is to wet it. You can only wet it if your ceiling has never been painted before. If your ceiling has been painted, you should not wet it because it has a paint that covers it and it's not going to do anything. But if you've never painted your ceiling, the popcorn finish is a finished finish when they apply it, and it doesn't require painting. That's why they used to do it a long time ago. It used to be very inexpensive and a very fast way of doing the ceiling. And you just leave it at a level 2 finish, put the popcorn on it, and you're done. Very inexpensive and very fast. It's also not too difficult to remove, and it's a very antiquated look that a lot of people are removing now and putting in a smooth finish, or a knockdown finish or something like that. But when that happens, you have little marks on the ceiling like this, and you have gouges like this that happen. So what we do is we need to repair those right there. So you need to repair those.